Hello everyone, it's me again, Yukoi AI. Today I continue the topic of creating videos from Videogen. In the previous video, I went in depth about creating videos with Videogen and how to choose the video size to suit the platform you interact with. Today I will continue to teach you how to add subtitles, how to add background music to videos. These effects are extremely important to make the content you create more rich, easily attracting the audience. Follow. You can access the link below your comment to access and use the application. As you can see, the subtitles in the area can change according to your preferences to attract different audiences. Please click on this area to customize your subtitles. Here you can choose the subtitle background template and the size of subtitles to make information clearer. This area is the area to choose colors for subtitles. There are many colors for us to choose from. This is where you choose the font for the subtitles. Full range of fonts available. This is the margin area for the video subtitles. You can center, left, or right the subtitles. This area is to put the secondary position up in the middle or below the video. Now I will show you how it will look like when changing from horizontal to vertical alignment. Remember to pay attention to the subtitles that are appearing constantly changing positions. These positions correspond to each other with the location of the video I created. And I adjusted the background color and size for you to see. Very easy for users and easy to control the content.default text. Next, you can see that when we open this video, we see something missing. So to insert background music, choose this place. Here there are two ways to get music. One is from the existing music store according to pre-designed emotions. Two is to upload from our music store. And this is the volume of the background music. You can choose, style, and control it. And
Please
now we have a more
motivational
perfect
viral video
feeling,
for me,
with both
calling on
images
young people
and
to break
background
free of
music
their
and
own
text.
barriers and together contribute to creating a rich life.
If you want to upload your own video, go to the upload section, but this feature is for the paid pro package. So you already understand how to create videos at AI Videogen. If you have just watched this video, you can refer to the previous video I showed on how to create videos to understand. I end this video here. If you find it valuable, please give me a subscribe, like and share button. Goodbye and see you again.